Hello, now we are doing the unboxing of this Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. Let us see what is there inside. Just cut it open. You get a case. These are the mics. Number one mic. This is the back side of this. Yeah, this is magnet. Is quite strong. The last microphone that we purchased, this magnet was coming out, so that's why we had to return that one. But this is quite strong and quite sticky. This part is quite sticky inside. Earlier one is to come out along with this magnet. That's why I got the replacement. And one small cover here. Remove that cover also. Now, this is the second mic. I remove this cover also here. Yeah. Pause. These are the receivers. This is the receiver for iPhone. Let us see what is inside this. Inside there is one pouch. Starting this windshield covers, and these are some clips. I suppose still something is there. These are the cable for DSLR camera. This is for putting it around your neck. Yeah, so you can put the mic, tie it here. So that way you can put it in your neck. Now let me test the mic. Put it. Now you will hear the sound from this mic. I'm using this mic now. Yeah. Okay. I'm putting the mic now here. Yeah, this is like a small clip. Now the sound that you hear is from this mic. The quality I think is quite good. Though I cannot hear it, I will hear the recording. So this is a test of one mic. I'll just sing something and see the quality. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. 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 This is one more receiver which is used for DSLR cameras. So this is an additional unit. I have purchased the combo pack so that it can be used with iPhone, DSLR and also Android phones. So this has costed me rupees 13,559 or something. Yes, correct. So thank you for watching, and we'll put it back. Yeah, I'll just show you what is there in this packet also. These are the clips. Same mic you can put it like this on the clip, and now you can put the clip here. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. This is some literature inside this. Some stickers are there for putting around on the back side of this. These stickers can be put here so that it looks little bit different, colorful. They have provided these stickers to us. And there are some instructions are there. And warranty card. Yeah, thank you for watching the video.